Have you ever pondered the intricate architecture of the universe, down to its tiniest building block? What might you discover if you could peer deep within the heart of an atom? Atoms, the fundamental particles of matter, make up everything we see, touch, smell, and taste. They are the smallest unit of an element that retains the properties of that element. But what exists within these minute particles? What complexities lie within their minuscule confines? An atom is not a solid mass, but a tiny solar system of its own. At its center, the nucleus, akin to a sun, holds the majority of the atom's mass. This nucleus consists of positively charged protons and uncharged neutrons. Protons and neutrons are almost identical in mass, but they carry different charges. Protons are positively charged, while neutrons have no charge. Orbiting the nucleus in a cloud of probability, the negatively charged electrons whirl around in a dance of quantum mechanics. These electrons exist in energy levels, often referred to as shells, each with a maximum capacity. The first shell holds up to 2 electrons. The second can accommodate up to 8, and so it continues, with each shell holding more electrons as we move further from the nucleus. The number of protons in the nucleus, the atomic number, determines the identity of an atom, its element. For instance, an atom with 6 protons is always carbon, while an atom with 8 protons is oxygen. The total number of protons and neutrons, the atomic mass, gives an atom its weight. Electrons, though they contribute little to an atom's mass, play a significant role in the atom's interactions with other atoms. The outermost shell of an atom, the valence shell, is particularly important. It is these valence electrons that participate in chemical reactions, forming bonds with other atoms and creating the myriad of molecules that make up our world. In a nutshell, an atom is a microcosm of charged particles. The nucleus, with its protons and neutrons, forms the atom's core, while the electrons whirl around it in a probabilistic cloud, occupying distinct energy levels. The number of protons defines an atom's identity, and the total number of protons and neutrons determines its mass. Yet, it is the electrons, specifically those in the valence shell, that govern an atom's interactions with other atoms. Atoms, the building blocks of the universe, are not just tiny specks of matter. They are complex systems, bustling with activity and brimming with potential. They are the silent architects of existence, shaping the world in ways we often take for granted. So the next time you look around you, remember that everything you see, touch, smell, and taste is a symphony of atoms, playing out the grand composition of the universe.